How to exchange a product on Adidas. Exchanging a product on Adidas is very similar to returning, but instead of just getting a refund, you will be getting a replacement item. And here is a step-by-step process that you can follow up in order to do so. So for that, we can start by looking out for the eligibility for the return or exchanging the product. So let's just go over and look out for exchange policy on Adidas. Let's just search for it. And once we search for it here, we'll be finding the policy here that we can look out for and see what are the eligibility, such as the item must be unused, unwashed, or in original packaging. And the exchanges are usually allowed for size or color issues as well. And customized or personalized items cannot be exchanged. Now, if you want to exchange, what we can do is we can directly look out for this policy page and directly find this option called Start Exchange and click on it, and that will lead us to another page. Now, here we just need to start up the process. So for that, we can provide in the order number that we would like to exchange, enter it up in the section, and right below it, we can provide in the email address that we used in order to place the order. After that, we can click on this option called Start and Exchange or Return and click on Continue. And we can just go over and look out for our order and choose exchange as the reason and select the replacement item as well. You can just go over and do so within the website itself. And while you are doing so, place the item in original packaging, include all the tags and paperwork, and also attach the return and exchange level if provided. And you can send the package back and keep the tracking number for reference. And that way you should be able to do it. So for now, we hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, give this video a like and subscribe for more.